What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to reverse a video in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your device. You can either create a new project or open an existing one. Once your project is open, find the video you wish to reverse. If you want to reverse the entire clip, you can skip to the next step. Otherwise, follow along to reverse only a part of the video. To reverse a specific part of the video, select the video clip in the timeline. Choose the point where you want the reverse to begin, and make sure the video is selected to enable the split option. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Split. Next, move to the point where you want the reverse to end and tap on Split again. Now, select the part of the video you want to reverse. With the clip selected, scroll across the options at the bottom until you find Reverse. Tap on Reverse to start the process. The time it takes to reverse the clip depends on its length, so be patient. Once the processing is complete, play back the video to see the reversed section. By following these steps, you can easily reverse a video or part of a video in CapCut. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.